I would like to invite P. Hemant from second class. He has to tell our body parts. Hello everyone, this is Hemant, studying in second class in Sri Shantiniketan English Medium School, Gorinta. Today, my seminar topic is human body parts. Our body has two types of organs. First one outer organs, second one inner organs. Outer organs. Our outer organs lie outside of the body. Example, hands, legs, etc. Inner organs. Our inner organs lie inside of the body. The inner organs play a key role in our body. They are five: brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys. Brain. The brain is placed inside our head. It controls the whole body. It releases and sends signals to the body. Heart. It's the most important organ of our body. The heart pumps blood to all body parts. Our heartbeat gets faster when we run. Lungs. We have two lungs in our body. They are used for breathing process. Stomach. The stomach helps in digestion of food we eat. Kidneys. We have two kidneys in our body. They clean our blood. They are in bean shape. Thank you everyone with golden opportunity.